B2B business, so we sell to wholesalers or OEMs. So the lack of visibility into all of the customer interactions and that sort of data, it just simply made things harder than it needed to be for our team.
Customers could get quite frustrated if you were double handling an inquiry by following up on information they had already provided, and same with our internal customers, our team, the same thing could happen as well. The CRM provides full transparency. You can see any communication that's occurred beforehand so that you don't have to be, upsetting any customers, and you can make sure you're serving them in the best way possible.
It was pretty straightforward to choose Dynamics 365. It's an enterprise grade piece of software, but when you're adding it on top of Business Central, you actually get what they call an attached license. So you get really competitive pricing versus any of the other competitors. So when you're comparing them for true value for money, Dynamics 365 was a standout.
Transitioning from our fully manual system before into the CRM system has actually been quite easy. I think the biggest thing that we've been getting used to is how many fantastic options there are and how to use them to our advantage in the best way possible.
So the CRM's allowed us to build out a contractor database. And so now we can drive activity, track interactions and all of that with those end users and help build demand for our products.
I love using the CRM system. I love the visibility. I love the dashboards and the tools so that I can view the workloads of my team and make sure I'm distributing it fairly across everyone. It identifies any training opportunities within my team that I might need as well. So I found it fantastic to use.
The noticeable things that the customer would have seen is some advanced functionality such as case acknowledgement notifications, and we send out a CSAT survey after each case is resolved. So previously it would be relying on the customer care agent to follow up with customers to make sure that they thought their issue had been resolved. Now the customer can reply back with feedback of, this is how I rate. Getting that direct feedback from the customer has been really valuable for our customer care team. Next focus for MATelec is we're diving into marketing automation. So that'll be the final piece of the puzzle in terms of the foundational software that we need for our full digital transformation. So it's actually really exciting. We're very well progressed down that path, exploring that with MATelec once again. So the solution will be customer insights, which is an extension to the CRM for sales and customer service.